What's going on, everyone? So 2018, new year, new me. That trend's over, I guess, but I'm still gonna say it. So I've decided we're vlogging way more. I just want to keep the content bringing to you guys. I've been hanging out a lot more. The holiday season is over. If you guys don't know, I work at Tilly's, which is a retail company. We sell clothes, including Hoonigan merch. Only one shirt though, so Hoonigan, I get a discount on your stuff. I don't know if you guys know that, you guys do now. But yeah, so after the holidays, it is dead, so they don't work me very much. But that's good for two reasons. One, because I can do more sticker stuff and make more money doing that, and I like doing all of that stuff. It's way more entertaining than folding clothes, but I love working at Tilly's. It's tight, don't fire me. I can't talk bad about my job right now, otherwise they're gonna fire me, I think. Cause they all watch the YouTube channel, so if you guys are watching from there, that's tight. But yeah, so we're dead right now, so I'm filming a lot more, doing a lot more sticker stuff, and I've just had a lot more free time, so I've been making more stuff, doing more stuff to promote SpeedRacinJason, and I've been working on a lot. As you can see, I'm wearing this hoodie right now. This was actually one of the first ones that I did, and it was actually misprinted a little too far over on the sleeve, but I kind of like it, you know, and nobody's really said anything bad about it. It's got a cool design on the back. I'll show you guys. So yeah, we're gonna take another shot at the screen printing thing, get all of that worked out. I started making a press. I called my grandpa. He's right down there. I was like, hey, you guys probably have some door hinges laying around. He was like, yes, I do. And I was like, all right, that's pretty much the only thing I need. Everything else I have here, including all the wood. So we're gonna do that. And I think we're gonna start trying to make some more shirts, because all of this was done with vinyl. I kind of want to try and do some more screen printing because it just is entertaining, I guess. I'm coming to you guys live in my garage, my little office thing. As you guys can see, I rearranged a little bit. Like I said, 2018, new year. So I moved the couch over in front of the window, over kind of by the door. I got this new rug, looks really good. It makes this feel more cozy, I think. I don't know if you guys can see the rug. Zoom down. So yeah, this is the new setup. We still have all this stuff over here, but I got all of this laid out. What do we got right here? Already got some fuzz on the carpet. But yeah. So I kind of want to do something with the floor, you know, make it look a little nicer. Right now, I think I'm just going to be mounting my screen printing press right on top of here. But we're going to be making that today. Those are the hinges I was talking about. There's my little heater trying to keep me warm. Not doing the best job. Okay, so this is my whole idea right now. I've watched a couple YouTube videos because I'm a professional. So I was thinking these two boards will be held together with this one. It'll hold the center board tight, and then it won't be able to move. I will take this piece, put it up here. It will have something to hold my screen on the end of it. I will use one of those hinges, place it right there. It'll be able to do the hinge motion, hence why I have hinges. That is a thing, a hinge. And then I'll probably use some springs or something so it'll have like the rebound, you know, so I'll almost be professional. So it'll just kind of whoop. And then honestly, I've got that ugly like tabletop thing in the office over there. We're in the big garage right now, and I think I'm just going to mount it to the top of that. Gotta do some cutting. Let's get to it. I just finished up the last little piece. The resistance portion of it, I used a bungee cord that I just bent the S hooks, and so I want you guys to see it because I'm kind of impressed. So once it's mounted down to a tabletop, it will have a little piece to hold my frame, and it will have the t-shirt holder down there. And I use this bungee cord like I said, so then it'll just boop. So you'll just pull it down and then do the screen printing. It's kind of tight, right? So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tomorrow we'll be doing a little bit more work once we get some more supplies, like the actual frame and stuff. But yeah, so we're just gonna kind of keep trying to vlog. I hope you guys enjoy.